On this day, 22 August 2020, the same day in the year of 1485, the day 22 and the month 8, that is August, one of the moment happened in the world history, or we can say one of the moment happened in the England history. As we already know, England is a predominant constituent unit of United Kingdom. In that country, one of the moment happened on the same day, that is August 22, that is War of Roses ended in England. Let's begin the video and have a clear look on it. This is Vasant. Subscribe to our channel to get more updates. War of Roses. It has been happened from 1455 to 1485 in the England history. The series of dynastic civil wars whose violence and civil strife preceded the strong government of Tudors fought between the House of Lancaster and York for the English throne. This war has been happened from 1455 to 1485 for the throne of England. The Henry Tudor means he is the king, the future of Henry IV, the king of England. He has been ruled England from 1485 to 1509, who succeeded in the War of Roses between the House of Lancaster and York and founded the Tudor dynasty. He has been won the War of Roses. Henry Tudor defeated the king of Yorkist King Richard III, who was defeated in the War of Roses. Richard III is the king of York, defeated in the Battle of Bosworth Field in the August 22, 1485. The battle in the English War of Roses fought 12 miles 19 kilometers west of Leicester and the 3 miles 5 kilometers the south of Market Bosworth between the forces of Yorkist King Richard III and the Lancasterian contender for the crown Henry Tudor, the future of Henry IV. It was in the effect the last battle of the War of the Roses, and it established the Tudor dynasty and the English throne. As we are or came to know, when we are going to have a proper look on it, on the same day of the world history, in the England history, one of the moment that happened is the Tudor dynasty was on the throne in the War of Roses. On the same day, the War of Roses ended in the England and the dynasty has been established is Tudor's dynasty. Subscribe to our channel to get more updates on this day, exclusively on the Learning Point. Thank you.